Everything is made. People have to make stuff, right? And the way you make stuff is pretty common. You know, you either bind it together, you join it, you assemble it, you paint it, or you move product around within your facility, right? And so our goal is to provide solutions within that sector.
So AIRPOWER is an industrial distributor of specialty equipment at heart, but we've got a lot of additional systems capabilities. If you assemble, move, and coat products, we can help you.
We have a lot of years of experience in all three of those areas, so we can walk into any manufacturer and assist them with almost any of their applications.
So assemble would be anything that you have to put together, so taking two pieces and putting them together with bolts or screws or glue or bonding them or however you need to put them together.
Moving materials from point A to point B. It could be from 3,000-gallon tanks, or it could be from 55-gallon drums.
Material handling comes into play when we start looking at workstation cranes, jibs, overhead rail systems.
Coating does two really major things. You're protecting something to keep it from getting damaged, either from the sun or the wind or rain or something of that nature. And the other thing, you're trying to make it look pretty.
Any type of painting process, from a pneumatic spray to an electrostatic spray, whether it's a manual application, handheld, or get into the automated world of robotics.
That also includes surface preparation, making sure the product is clean and prepped prior to applying coating.
Currently, we've got 9 branches here in the U.S., across the Southeast. We have a branch in Monterrey, Mexico. It's really important for us to be able to service what we sell, to cover the territory that we have.
Our systems engineering team really kind of sets us apart from other distributors because they can think outside the box and make things happen that other people just couldn't.
We do have in-house repair, installation, project management, and engineering, and we build control panels, we program things.
We have some of the best resources probably that could be found in the nation, I would dare say in the world.
You don't have to go to the manufacturer. We have resources before we even would go to the manufacturer for information.
I think that really sets us apart from the competition who rely more on the manufacturers to have to provide that kind of resource, which sometimes they don't even have.
And we stack up a process backed by specialists, backed by product managers, backed by an engineering team, backed by a project management team.
Customers, they want to understand, okay, is my process in control or is my process out of control? And give me the data that tells me that. And a lot of the equipment that we sell and a lot of the solutions that we provide are really about that process improvement.
It's not a matter of, hey, can I sell you something? It's how can I help you solve your problem?
You start asking enough questions and you start finding out about their process. They want to do business with AIRPOWER, whether it's the service department, whether it's just a regular stocked item, whether it's getting our systems engineering team in here to do something really cool and different.
We try to help the customers to come up with a better way to do their processes that would be easier for them, more cost-effective for them, and more ergonomic for their workers. And if we can do that in a particular cell or a system, then we consider that a win.
AIRPOWER going on is only going to get stronger and bigger. We will dominate the Southeast. We're not scared to take on any challenges. We're not scared of competition.
I don't think we really have competitors that do what we do.
A lot of times we hear we didn't know you did that, and that's changing.
I want to be that person that they pick up the phone and call first. That's who I want AIRPOWER to be for our customers. Is if they have a need or if they have some pain, regardless of the process, right? Their first thought is, I'm going to call AIRPOWER. Not really sure if they do this or not, but they take care of me for everything else, so I'm at least going to give them a shot.